Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Kitchen Hen. Today let's make tilapia. For this recipe I will be using 10 fillets, juice of half a lemon, 1 stick of unsalted butter, and olive oil. For the seasonings I will be using garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, cayenne, fresh parsley, but dried works too. Of course, salt and pepper. Let's begin by making our mixture. Melt your butter and pour it into a bowl. Add about 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Into this bowl, add 1 teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of parsley. Juice your lemon and add it into the mixture. Now mix everything together. Grab a pan that's large enough to fit all the fillets, along with some parchment paper. Spread the mixture evenly over the parchment. This will help infuse the tilapia with flavor from the bottom up. Next, place each fillet flat side down, side by side. Get your salt and pepper and coat each fillet evenly. Then, pour the mixture over the tilapia and use a basting brush to spread it out evenly. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees and pop the pan in for 20 to 25 minutes. Now all that is left is to serve the fish. Hope you enjoy, and thank you so much for watching.